Exercise 1, Align Panel. So open up that file, Align Panel Worksheet, and depending how it opens for you, this is rarely or fairly small, relatively small. If I use Command 0, it'll fill the screen. It's a quick way to get it to just be large enough. Use the space bar. I can drag this over to where I want to work. All right, so this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to go through the whole thing step by step. These squares are live. The instructions are not. You're going to want to open up your window, Align. So this panel, and you can drag it where you need it. So if you want to have it close, I'm going to close some of these other ones I'm not using. Okay, I can put it near my current work. What you're going to do is just follow the buttons, the circle. So you're going to use this, click and drag across the 4 squares. They're selected. Click that Align button. And just follow the circles. That doesn't, to me, that's not align left, it's align right, but just go with the instructions. Select the squares, click the button, move along. Okay, so I don't need to tell you how to do each step along there. This one, you're trying to achieve these squares being towards the outside edge. Select all 4. You decide which buttons are going to get you there. If you make a mistake, the button you chose isn't the one that's going to work, Command Z or Control Z if you're on the PC. That's undo. You can go backwards. Same for this one. Select everything, click and drag across all the pieces so they're all selected. Center all the items. Which button do you think is going to center? Look at the little pictures, click on the one that you think is appropriate. Okay, for this one, follow the instructions. I don't need to walk you through the whole thing. Once you've got all these selected, and assuming you've got your Align panel open, show options. Here's where you're going to select what you want to align to, the key object, and that'll be the first object you choose. All right, so just follow the instructions and it'll take you there. The last one, select all of the letters, click and drag across all of them, and center vertically. Okay, so this one says vertical line, but that's not what it shows. If I click this, that's not vertical to me. That's horizontal. So sometimes these things work opposite of what you would think or how they're labeled. Okay, this says horizontal align center. To me, that's going to get you where you want to go. And then you're going to distribute the objects. And again, if you choose wrong, you can always undo. All right, so follow the instructions and you'll be all set. Okay, Command or Spacebar Command Option allows you to zoom out just so you can see where you're at. You're going to go to File, Save As, and just change the name to Line Panel Worksheet. Put your first initial last name. You can replace the word worksheet with your first initial last name. And then, again, pay attention to where that goes. On to the next one.